Hello students, let us take a look at the third solve example of chapter 12 Heron's formula. So here we've been given the sides of a triangle in the form of ratios. So sides of the triangle are in the ratio 3:5:7 and the perimeter is 300 meters. You need to find the area of the triangle. So how do you find the area of triangle given the perimeter and the ratio of the sides? What I will say is, let the common ratio be x, correct? So let's say if I have, before solving the sums, if there are three friends, Rita, Sita and Geeta, I'll say that Rita has 30 rupees, Sita has 50 rupees and Geeta has 70 rupees. What would be the ratio of these numbers? If I divide throughout by 10, what will I get? I will get the ratio as 3:5:7. Correct? Similarly, if I say that Rita has, let's say 300 chocolates, Sita has 500 chocolates and Geeta has 700 chocolates. If I divide throughout by 100, I will again get the same ratio, that is 3:5:7. So if you notice that they are always going to have the same ratio, only this factor is going to change. So here it is consistently 10 and here it is consistently 100. So this is the variable out here. What I can say is, let this term be x, right? Any of these terms, I'll denote them by x because they are going to change. So again, this is the common factor, the variable. Similarly, I am going to say let the common factor be x for the sides, right? See, this ratio is the same as this ratio. Therefore, now see, the common factor x in this case was 10. So what were my answers? 30, 50, 70. Here the common factor was 100. So what was my answer? 300, 500, 700. So instead of 10 and 100, if I have x, what would be my numbers? See, these are the ratios, but these are not ratios, these are actual numbers. This is a ratio and this is a ratio, but these are not ratios, these are actual numbers. So instead of 10 and 100, if I put x, what will I get? 3x, 5x and 7x, and the sum of this would be the total, correct? So similarly, let the common factor would be x for the sides. Therefore, the sides measure how much? 3x meters, 3x, 5x and 7x meters, correct? So now we found the length of the sides in terms of x, and also we have the perimeter. Now given the perimeter and these sides in terms of x, we can obviously find the value of x. So I'll say now perimeter of triangle is given by 3x plus 5x plus, or I will say, let this be side A, let this be side B and let this be side C. So is given by A plus B plus C, correct? Now the perimeter is given to be 300 meters and A is what? 3x, B is 5x and C is 7x. So 3x plus 5x plus 7x would give you 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. So 15x is equal to 300. So I'm just discarding this meter. Whenever you're doing calculations, avoid putting the units because you might get confused with them as variables. So therefore, x will be 300 divided by 15, correct? So 5 3s are 15, 5 6s are 30 and 0, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So your x is how much? 20 meters. Now you have 20 meters, therefore you can find the length of A, B and C. So now I am raising this section for us to continue the sum. Alright then, since x is equal to 20 meters, I have A is equal to 3x which is equal to 3 into 20, which is 60 meters. Then similarly B is equal to 5x, which is how much? 5 into 20. So 5 2s are 10 and 5 2s are 10 and another 0 would give me 100 meters. And similarly C is 7x, which is 7 into 20, which is 140 meters. So I have my sides, I have my perimeter, I need to find the area of triangle. For the area of triangle, remember that we do not need the perimeter, we need the semi-perimeter, which is the half measurement of your perimeter. So I need to find S. Therefore, S is equal to now perimeter divided by 2. So what was your perimeter? It is 300 and divide by 2. So semi-perimeter is 150 meters. So I have my semi-perimeter and I have the values of A, B and C. Therefore, area of triangle, now you can easily substitute the values and find the area of triangle. So we'll do this quickly. S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Cool? So this will be semi-perimeter is 150. So 150 into 150 minus 60, 150 minus 100 and 150 minus 140. So this is going to be equal to 150 comes down as it is. Now 150 minus 60. 9. So this would be into 90. Then 150 minus 100 is 50 and 150 minus 40 is 10. Correct? So now what I am going to do is I am going to try and find the square root. So first of all, I see 4 zeros. So I can write this as 15 into 9 into 5 into 1, 2, 3 and 4 into. Now why did I keep it like this? Because it would be very easy for me to find the square root of this term. The square root of this term will be how much? Only 2 zeros will come out with 1. So it will be 100. And inside I am left with 15, which is 15. So this is going to be 5 into 3 into 9 into 5. So if you see, this is a perfect square. So for this perfect square, I am going to remove 3. I have 2 5s, so I am going to remove 1 5 for the square root, right? And I am left with inside root 3, because 3 is not a perfect square and there is not another 3, so that I can use that as 3 as my square root and remove it outside. So root 3 stays as it is. So finally I am left with 5 into 3, which is 15. 15 into 100 is 1500. So this is 1500 into root 3. This is your area. So 1500 root 3, what is your unit? Meter square. So this is your answer, but since we have so much space, we are going to write the answer in a sentence format. So answer, area of triangle is equal to 1500 root 3 meter square or square meters. So please take a look at the solution. Thank you for watching this video.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.